Hello, everyone. My name is Ashley Hawkins. I currently reside in Baltimore, Maryland. I reside here with my 5-year-old daughter, Charlie, and my 14-week-old puppy, Luna. So, excuse me if you hear some noise in my background, but sometimes my house can get quite chaotic being pulled back and forth between the two. I received my undergraduate degree from Salisbury University in biology. After working in the field for a couple of years, I found that as much as I thoroughly enjoy science, it's not something I saw myself doing for the next 20 years of my life. And that led me to look into public health. When I first started looking into public health, I thought that I would really be interested in epidemiology. That was my that's what I wanted to do. I'm gonna take all the epidemiology classes I can, and I took, no offense to anyone else or any of the epidemiologists, I took my first class and then I realized that it just wasn't for me. I like learning about it, but it's not something that I saw myself doing for the next 20 years of my life. But I still felt that I wanted to pursue public health. I just didn't know in what capacity. And honestly, I'm still trying to figure that out. So far, my favorite classes have been Intro to Environmental Health and Public Health Policy. And this class also, I've been waiting to take this class for a while, and I think by looking at the syllabus and what we're going to talk about, this is going to be one of my favorite classes too. I really do think that I like more of a policy, public health administration role. I really think that I would like more of a public health policy, public health administration role, and I'm really hoping that this class will confirm that for me. I currently work as a research assistant, a research assistant slash lab assistant. I currently am working on several projects. One is helping conduct one project that I'm working on is helping to put together a research study for the NIEHS. The other is still with the NIEHS, but more of a lab assistant role. I work as a federal contractor. Um, and both of my projects, they are in the public health field, but they also do confirm for me that research and the lab are not what I want to do for the next 20 years of my life. I love the experience and the exposure and the knowledge that I'm getting. I think that they're very, very helpful. But in 20 years, it's also just not what I. Some fun facts about myself is that I've studied the Some fun facts about myself is that I like to garden. I'm praying that spring comes soon, so I can get back to my garden. Currently I'm planting herbs, and I have rosemary, thyme, lemon balm, lemon thyme, peppermint, and lavender growing. Um, I've also studied the French language for 11 years. I started when I was 11 and continued up. Well, I started in 11 when I was in middle school and continued up till college until I was 22. That's something that I would really like to get back into. I don't speak the language as much anymore or practice it because I don't have anyone to speak it to. But I do plan on getting back to that after I finish up my master's. Um, I also am an avid reader, so if anyone has any good books, please let me know because I'm always looking to grow my collection. I also really love to travel. I've been to several countries such as France, Spain, Costa Rica, and quite a few more. And hopefully, as COVID dies down, I could get back into traveling because for the past 2 years I have gone nowhere and I would really love a vacation. But I really do look forward to connecting with you all more and learning more about public health administration. I really am super excited about this class. I've been waiting to take it because I really do feel like within the public health sector that this is my path. So I hope everyone has a really great semester, and yes, let's get to it.